60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingsville, Alice, Van Bolt, and Alice Acres. This includes U.S. Highway 281 between mile markers 676 and 686. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another one.
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Jim Wells County in south central Texas, southeastern Live Oak County in south central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canaros, or 11 miles south of George West, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles.
Ooh, that's considerable.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Midway, Mount Lucas, Anaros, Dinero, Lagardo, and West Gale. This includes the following highways: Interstate 37 between mile markers 42 and 45. U.S. Highway 281 between mile markers 638 and 654. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.